Alright, boys and girls, I'm here to answer the question, what is the initial dollar per conversion and what is the average dollar per conversion mean on Clickbank? Alright, so we got these two metrics right here, right? Initial dollar per conversion and average dollar per conversion. The initial dollar is the very first sale you make to the very first sale you bring to the seller, okay? So you as an affiliate, let's say you refer some people and you make them buy something for the first time. That is what the initial conversion or the initial dollar per conversion is. This includes any upsells, and I'm gonna show you to back this up. As you can see, the initial dollar per conversion, this number is the average commission an affiliate initially earns for each conversion to the seller's offer, blah blah, including the commissions from any upsells or order bumps that result from the first sale. Okay, that is what the initial one is. But what is the average? As you can see, the average is a little bit higher. Okay, so the average dollars or the average money per conversion, this number is increased because this includes reoccurring bills as well. As you can see, I take Exipure as an example, reoccurring dollars per rebill. Now the average dollar per conversion is bigger because it includes both the initial and the reoccurring bill. If people, let's say you refer some people to the seller, they make a purchase, then they decide to renew their purchase and they buy it again, you earn a bigger, or you earn another commission, hence why this average dollar per conversion increases. I hope this was simple enough for you to understand. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Take care.